Hello everyone. In today's video, I will walk you through the process of creating an NNAS account and how to fill your information for RN application with NNAS. If you are an internationally educated nurse looking forward to work, especially in Canada, then you need to follow these steps to start your application process. NNAS stands for National Nursing Assessment Service. Before starting the application, make sure you guys have following documents in your hand. First one is identity document. You will need passport because you are applying as an international nurse, so make sure you have passport. And second one is your driving license because you need to enter your current address in the profile. Next one is your educational document. In that you will need transcript and your degree certificate. Another one to prove that you are a registered nurse in your home country that you need is registration certificate. So these are three following documents that you must need to start your application. First one is identity document, second one is your educational document, and the third one is your registration document. Fourth one is only to the nurses who worked as a nurse in their country, so it's like employment letter or employment history details. In that you will need your start and end date of your employment and the name of supervisor where you were working as a registered nurse. To create your NNAS account, first search NNAS login in Google. On this page, select create an account. On this page, add your email address and enter these three security questions. Make sure to take screenshot and at the end select accept for terms and condition of NNAS. After that, check your email for the code and link to create your NNAS account. After setting your password, log into your account and select start new application. Here select that you have completed a post-secondary degree or nursing diploma. Yes, I understood. And then select the application of your choice. I'm going to select College of Nurses of Ontario. So it will cost me $650. Add your personal information as per your passport. First name here and last name here. If you don't have any last name, just enter dot. Select your gender and add date of birth. You can add the required details such as languages that you can speak and write fluently and your mother tongue. Next one is your address information. Add your full address with country, postal code, city and the province, and also add your mobile number here and then click continue to education. In this section, first enter the country of nursing school, which is India for me. Next one is your college. You can find it from the drop down list that is available on the NNAS website. If it's merged with any other university or school, you can select yes. Name of the nursing program, you can check it on your degree certificate. Type of school or educational institute, either it will be college or university. Next one is category of your program, nursing. Your name used while attending this school, check it on your degree certificate again. Program start and completion date, this one you will find it in your transcript. Next one is language of instruction, which will be English. Language of instruction for clinical, for me it was English. Primary language of institution, select English. Last one is name of credential or degree obtained. Bachelor of Science in Nursing, check it on your degree certificate. Then select save the school information and move further. Select save and continue to registration. Next section is registration. Did you obtain nursing registration or a license in the jurisdiction where you completed your initial nursing program? Yes. Next question is, will it allow you to practice without registration? Select no and submit. Now you will need your registration certificate. Select the country where you were registered. India. I was registered with Gujarat Nursing Council. You can select the regulatory body accordingly. Please provide the name that appeared on your registration or license. It should be as it is. Title of your registration or license. For me, it's registered nurse and midwife. You can check your registration number on your certificate. If you are not working currently as a registered nurse or a nursing tutor, then select non-practicing. Date of registration, add it here. Is this a lifetime practice license? Select yes. And if you need, can you renew it? Select yes. The method by which you were registered. I selected examination here. You can select either endorsement if you haven't taken any exam for your registration certificate. Have you ever been registered to practice in any other health discipline or profession? No. Have you ever been registered to practice in any other regulated profession? Select no and save the registration information. Select continue to examination. If you have already passed NCLEX RN exam, then you can enter the details here. Make sure you have your NCSBN number from your NCLEX RN score card. You need to add it here. I'm selecting no and select save. I have no examination and move further. Next section is condition. Here NNAS is asking you whether you are registered in any other province or territory of Canada. First question answer is no. In how many other Canadian provinces or territories have you applied to register? None. Have you ever been referred to a competency assessment in any province? Select no. Have you completed a competency assessment in any province or territory? Select no. Next is condition of your registration. If you haven't been suspended or haven't conducted any criminal offense or there is no proceeding for professional misconduct on your license, then majority of answer will be no. So you can read it here and select save and continue to employment. Last section is for employment information. In this you will need name of your employer, address, name of your supervisor, and total hours that you work, start and completion of your employment. If you need more information on how to count your total hours by year to add it in your NNAS account, please DM me on my Instagram account or comment here. I will send you PDF for that. After payment, next step is that you will need to have your documents to be verified, so that you need to submit all your documents directly from your educational institute or the regulatory body to the NNAS. Make sure you are following all the guidelines by NNAS to avoid unnecessary delay. Also, you can directly upload notarized copy of your identity document. You will need two identity documents. One should be passport and the other one can be either birth certificate or your driving license or your marriage certificate if you are married. If you have changed your name, then you also need to submit name affidavit, which should be in English. And if you need format for notarized documentation, then you can comment here either, or you can send me DM on my Instagram. I will send you PDF for the format of your notarized documentation. And that's it, a step-by-step guide for internationally educated nurses to create NNAS application for RN. Remember, this process may take some time, so be patient and be well organized. If you need any help, let me know. I will try my best to reply you as soon as possible. If you like this video, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more tips on your nursing career. Good luck for NNAS application and see you in the next video.